Hello there, I'm Jo Wilbintroll, personal stylist and colour evangelist. So part of my work as a colour expert and to do with personal style and image is talking about the impact of colour, not just on how we look, but also how we feel and also the message that we give. So I'm really very honoured to have today the lovely Dr Ashish Paul, who is here to talk about her expertise, which is in Ayurveda. She's actually an expert in fertility within Ayurveda. Ayurveda is incredibly fascinating and covers all areas of health and well-being. But today I'm very blessed and very honoured to have Dr Ashish Paul talking about colour when it comes to how we feel and about colour vibration. So part of Ayurveda is looking at, well, it covers the whole aspect of the whole remit of having health in our lives, and within fertility, obviously, part of that is how we feel about our bodies, making them optimally healthy to ready for conception. So I'm going to pass over to Ashish now, and she's going to introduce colour and how that impacts within Ayurveda.
Oh, thank you, Jo. It's a pleasure, always a pleasure. I love talking to, all the conversations that we have. It's just amazing. But yes, color impacts your health directly. Not only fertility, I can give examples from fertility, but it's in every aspect of your life. Yeah. So without having, because we are vibrating, all our cells are vibrating, we are not static beings. So similarly, anything else from outside is going to affect. In terms of, with vibration, what we mean is electromagnetic field is affected. So if we are using a particular color, then it's going to affect our health. So for the same reason, in Ayurveda we have color therapy. So every disease, once you have gone past a particular disease, then there will be what we call convalescence period. And during convalescence period, there will be mantras, there will be chanting, there will be certain colors you are supposed to wear. Yeah. So anybody who's going through, say for example, a chronic condition, which is a grave disease, a disease where the person has been ill for a long time, then they will be asked to use the uplifting colors, like you have the orange and you have the red and life-inducing colors, and not the grays. I really don't like the gray and the black. But how that impacts your mood, even your eyes, because whatever you look at, that consciously is affecting your brain, and subconsciously affecting your energy level. So, for example, in fertility, we say that, as we were talking about, when you think about that you want to get pregnant, you are supposed to think about only happy things. You look at happy pictures, the whole environment around you should be happier, the colors should be uplifting, the colors that you like. And black is definitely a no-no in fertility. We don't use black at all. But how that then affects the child's vibration, that you want to carry. And also it affects the vibration of your eggs. Your eggs, probably eggs and sperms, both like colors, they want to feel energetic. And this I incorporate as part of my work as well. So when I'm talking to patients, discussing how their lifestyle should be, how they should be living in their environment, the colors in the room that they're using in their office as well. So not just for fertility, for anything. So this ties in really well. And with Ayurveda, we know we have Vastu. Vastu is the spatial arrangement of certain things, that how do we arrange furniture, what colors to use around us. All of that is part of Vastu, like Zen. So that affects as well. It affects your energy, and I know it affects my energy directly.
So we were talking earlier, weren't we, just in preparation for this, about actually the average, say 30-year-old woman living in London or the suburbs of London, the average home now, and you can tell in any estate agent window, is full of grey furnishings. Possibly a bit white, possibly chrome, but grey is the colour for interior. And the average female working in the city, as I know from my clients, and as you can see on any tube station, wears mostly black all the time. So what are your thoughts on that? So the average woman having that kind of environment and expose themselves to those colours on such a major level.
I personally think, I mean, I remember many times initially when I came to UK to walk on tube station in the morning and everybody is black. It's like you walk into a sea of black, and I would think, please use color. You know, why can't we have jackets and coats made from different colors? Why are we everybody wearing that? So, and it would affect me, and I'm not a person who's affected very easily by, you know, colors, or in the sense that not by environment as such, but yes, it feels happy to look at you in this color. So it affects, you know, and I think it affects somehow our mindset, and then what it does on a fertility level as well. If you're constantly surrounding by that kind of color, which is not uplifting you, which is not giving you energy, you know, it is going to affect your fertility also. No wonder people go through all these issues, because energetically it's not helping us, it's not making us happy to look at. You know, our clothing should be something which we need to connect with. It's not only because it's a trend, you know, grey is in trend and everybody using grey or black, and it has a certain proportion. According to Ayurveda, there should be, you know, some colors, as you know, that white and black are not colors.
Yep.
Then their proportion should be only that much in our life. It's not that we surround ourselves with black. I mean, if I'm in an environment where every wall is black, oh, the energy is so different. Yeah.
And like you say, corporate environments, most commercial places are grey, black, white, and have very little colour.
Yeah.
So all of this is impacting us on a very energetic level and a medical and health level.
Absolutely. It's really dampening almost our immune system. Yeah. Because our immune system, as we know, is linked with our mind. So if mind is being dampened, the immune system is going to get low. Fertility is going to get low. So we are not helping our bodies. And yes, we are not saying don't use these colors. It's just use variety of colors.
And more colour.
Yes.
And don't be, black should not be the go-to. It
No,
should be
absolutely.
part of your wardrobe,
Yeah.
but it's having a bigger impact.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. If you'd like any more information, contact Dr Ashish Paul. Your website is
.uk.
www.ashishveda.uk. I'm Jo Baldwin-Trott, trying to brighten up Britain with Dr Ashish Paul here, and contact me, jobaldwintrott.com, for any further information.